Uy, gamay lang!
Siguro hindi lang yun, but grades or...
This year na po.
Oo. So, nandito na si Crizel. Crizel, we are happy to inform you that we are accepting your paper with minor revision. We will submit the grade to the office as that it's office na lang. Lumaki na lang para lang. But we are going to allow you to dapat ma-submit mo ito in 1 week's time.
Okay daw.
Sa imong advisor.
Okay daw.
Kaya po,
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Sige po. Thank you so much po. Can you take a photo po?
Okay.
Didi, would you want a photo?
Okay daw.
Gusto mo?
Yes po. Wait lang,
Okay po.
mag-screenshot.
Sige ba? Ako na lang po mag-take ng picture.
Ay, sige daw.
Okay. Saka lang po ha. Let me count para... Yeah. Sige po. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, we're riding Chicken Go Round. Say hi, Ate.
Hi guys!
Ate.
Hi!
Hi, guys. I think we're almost over. I don't want this to end. I want this to go on forever.
Dali na lang matanggal.
Hindi.
We were just talking. It's better left for safer quarters.
Which means kiss our little prince and come.
Is this finished?
Catty cat. What's your name? Excuse me, I'm taking a pic here. I'm not taking a pic of you.
Dani magagya?
Ay.
Di pa ka, bito anak mo. Uy.
Bye-bye.
Hindi ko kung nagbalik sila.
Aron?
Oo.
Wala na akong kabalo to.
Hindi. Si Charles na lang.
Kaso si. Amay.
Seafoods and fruit stand.
Ambot ang unsay.
Sige, Dan.
Go.
Wish anay.
Ay,
Wait, sanay siya. Basi-basiling ka ba? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
At yun na?
Wish na ka, wala ka wish.
Uy, sa sarili ko. Highlight lang ni.
Sarili.
Happy.
Tanaw diri ay.